Alright, so last print of the night. We got the bamboo scraper. This was an item that they give you as part of your, I guess, welcome package. So you can scrape stuff off the bed. It was kind of scary. I did a little bit of damage to the plate a little bit ago, but we stopped it, we saved it. The nozzle, I think, is doing all right. So yeah, it has, it's zippy. Let's see. Get everything set up. So yeah, that's like the handle and the other little doodads that connect it all together. So yeah, it's fun. It is really zippy. Oh wait, I gotta stop having fun here.